Are your premium mattresses crafted for comfort and wellness? Let's look at how to safely get in and out of bed to protect your body and maximize your mattress's benefits. Stand so the bed's edge is aligned with the back of your knees. Lower safely. Use nearby supports, bend your knees, and lower yourself gently to avoid strain. Move to the edge. Roll onto your side and swing your legs over the bed's edge. Use support to stand. Place hands on the mattress or a nearby surface, lean forward slightly, and push up using your legs, keeping your back straight. Responsive support. Individually pocketed spring for spinal alignment and pressure relief. Cooling comfort. Natural latex and tensile fabrics for temperature regulation. Hygienic design. Antimicrobial materials like Silver Fresh and Viral Clean for cleaner sleep. Perimeter guard. This helps the mattress maintain its shape and provides edge support, preventing the edges from sagging when you sit or sleep near them. Wellness starts with proper use of your mattress. Book an appointment with a chiropractor to learn more about your sleeping postures.